Model, 2020 Ford Transit 290 long wheelbase in black great spec wet cam belt snapped. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 201,451. MOT, the 29th of June 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, none runner, timing, wet belt has snapped. Definitely worth repairing, very clean while maintained van. Nice simple job if you know what you're doing, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, alloy wheels, air-con, cruise Contron, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.